were putting DNA into your body and allowing your body 1/3 of the weight of every shot that went into you is deoxyribonucleic acid, which has the ability to cross into the nucleus of your cell. And once in there, something called transfection occurs. It's nothing to do with infection. Transfection just means uptake into the same bit of the body that has your genetic karyotype, your chromosomes. So these little DNA fragments get to sit right next to your chromosomes, be worked upon by certain enzymes, and the body just naturally starts to make it part of you. And so that's what they found, sadly. They found that in liver cells of patients and many other tissue cells of patients, both alive and deceased, they have found that the person's karyotype / chromosome material is permanently changed. Their sperm cells, their ovary cells, their spleen cells, their immune cells in the middle of their bone marrow, they are all permanently changed and have genetic material that is not human, and it is certainly not their humanity. And so that's why the attacks occurs, ladies and gentlemen. The reason the attack occurs is it's as if you've had a fresh kidney put into you, transplant. Of course, you've got no medicines to dampen down your immune response, and the body says, that's not my kidney anymore. It's got a bunch of foreign DNA in that kidney, and it's got foreign RNA flags, and it's got foreign spike, none of which is related to this person that I am. My immune system can do one thing and only one thing. It will go at and hammer at and inflame your kidney, or inflame your heart and turn it into myocarditis, or inflame and damage in your immune system, which means your immune system is poor. And you'll get other infections that you wouldn't have gotten. And you'll get other rheumatoid-like illnesses and severe rashes and other things that are wrecking your life. And in my case, tinnitus in my ears. So everybody's got something. Everybody's getting something who have had, especially DNA. DNA, by the way, allows it to go on for 20 years as opposed to 15, 20 weeks. If it was just RNA, it'd be over and out of your system within 15 or 20 weeks, because there's an element of DNA and its ability to replicate within you over time and repeatedly. That's why you've got people with spike proteins still in their body, and their last vaccination was 2.5 years ago, and they're still producing spike. Why? Because their immune and genetic and cellular system has been attacked and includes now material that is not theirs. And that's what the body can't stand. The body always attacks tissues that are inside it that are not of you. The scientists who made this knew this. You can't make something this nefarious and this capable of going to so many cells in so many ways if it's not purposefully and nefariously produced. That's my second reason for making my arguments, and they're well supported by science.